may nabanggit dito sa comments din. I think this is the video about your thyroid. Ako po, Doc, masakit masyado yung shoulder and back ko po. Sabi din sa isa, same. I think same dun sa una. Pero balik, punta tayo sa shoulder and back. Now, hyperthyroidism kasi yung hyper, meaning sobrang on the go ang mga hormones ng katawan natin. So, they are dialed to 100. Tapos, very active ang buong katawan. So, it burns more energy. Okay? It burns more of what you eat. So, madalas, kapag it burns more, there's more energy that is being used, mas madaling mapagod ang mga muscles. Regardless kung gumagalaw siya or hindi. Okay? So, in that situation, if let's say, for example, the muscles of your back, it tend to be more, painful or may myalgia na tinatawag natin or muscle pains. Okay. That is usually signaling because it's the body is continuously burning energy or your ATP. Okay, kung ano yung kinakain mo ngayon, it continuously burns energy. May kasama din yan mismo, parang pag hinawakan mo medyo mainit. Okay, there is a tendency of developing fever. Okay, and in that situation, pag naubos na yung sugar at nag-burn pa rin ng energy, it tends to burn also other macros like your protein and your fat. Kaya pag napansin nyo mga hyperthyroid, madali silang pumayat. Okay? Isa sa mga symptoms din. Sobrang payat ng pasyente. And yun nga, the reason why nagkakaroon siya ng myalgia, ganun, there is a high energy demand and high energy consumption. Okay, sa isang pasyente na hyperthyroid. So, paano ba natin i-address ito? Well, treat the underlying cause, control yung hyperthyroidism. So, how do we control that? By taking your anti-thyroid medication, medical treatment yon, or if warranted, you could do your radioactive therapy, okay, radiation, or you just simply do or operate on a thyroidectomy. Okay? Pero that depends pa rin sa iyong doktor. Kung ano yung mas appropriate sa'yo, kasi the choice will always still fall with the patient. Okay?